Again, this Mario Antonio Infrared, the one in the human as the most dominant species in the entire universe, feature the Project Zero Hunger feature, the Project Zero Blood feature, and now the topic is Project Zero Waste Disposal. Project Zero Waste. The problem of waste not all countries have that need. So there are countries that still not need. So my idea in this problem is the solution to this problem is let's make back then my plan is having municipals, barangays, in Manila as well around the world to use this system of recycling buildings, its barangay stand recycling machine. But now I come up with Project Zero Waste Disposal. In my version now it's 5-bake recycling machine or private recycling system. In this system, in any family, in every town, municipal, barangay, they will have either a recycling machine or recycling system. And in Manila and as well as a lot of countries around the world, as in zero waste disposal talaga. And another thing is the biogas. Okay, the gas stinks, the gas they say might explode like from the mall, it evaporates the mist, it might, but we need to use it because instead of the waste of human, especially human, pollute the air, pollute the land, pollute the rivers, pollute the seas, pollute the river, pollute the seas. We will turn those waste into biogas. Okay, this biogas will empower this recycling machine either, or this biogas will empower lighting system when it comes at night. And regarding the safety of this system, we will double safety or threefold we have to, or where it will feature a device that filters it very well, that is very to turn it very sanitary. The waste of human disposal of food, they just digestive digestive system, and enzymes or acids that of our body that make the food into waste. Okay, so the thing is, we will say triple or double the safety, and triple double at the start the filtration sanitation of the said biogas system. Then we can empower the said machine, just like Friday as in every home, in every country of Manila, and every countries around the world. Yeah. Private recycling system. It can be used as well as generator. Yeah. So when it will be used as generator machine, generator powering generator machine, we can the sanitary will have enough not only 3 bullets or 4 or 5, etc, etc. Okay, the thing is, no waste, human waste in the river, no human waste in the seas, no human waste in the space, etc. Not even dog waste, not even trash, not even a single plastic waste. No, totally zero. This machine, let's leave it to our engineers, the expert of it. If they get none, you can ask me. I can be one designer. This is Marlon Antonio Empareño from Manila, Philippines, residing at General Mariano Alvarez, Cavite, Barangay Elisis. It's history. There's a lot of juice out there. Yes. Okay. I'm running out of words. Mental block. Yep. Okay. Love you guys. Thank you guys. Bye.